Today is my 50th video on this channel. Cheers. That's good. Which honestly feels kind of surreal. So I thought it would be fun to share 15 things I've learned from making these videos so far. 1. View counts don't define value. It's fine not to get many views or subscribers. Right now, for me, it's more about showing up and being more consistent, which I have been doing more of lately. It shows patience. When I make a video, that makes me feel happy and accomplished, and I find value in the good feeling that provides. Making videos is its own type of reward, a whole different vibe. And 2, it's okay to make mistakes. Consistency beats perfection. For example, cutting out my pauses or when I don't say something right the first time. I've also gotten better at recording in one take, which I find really cool. I mean, I might make a few cuts here and there, but it's a lot less video editing, which is really cool too. I've learned that very recently. Or even in the past when I made videos that didn't seem to make any sense on older channels. I think it made it easier to press record now, because if I can make out there videos in the past, I can make normal ones that make more sense. Sometimes you just gotta press record. If you have a lot of thoughts in your head and want to share, then do it. Don't get caught up in analysis paralysis. Do light research if you need to, but just share it and go with what you feel is right. 4. Experiment often, like I recently did with having 4 different channels, and it's on number 4. I didn't even realize I did it like that till just now. That's cool. Then decide to put all future content on this channel and see how it goes. 5. Your perspective is unique. Nobody else sees the world exactly like you do, so share it. Uniquely you. 6. Celebrate the milestones. It's fun to see how far I've come and talk about it, as well as things I have learned so far in this journey. 7. Getting 1% better with each video in your own type of way. Small improvements add up. 8. Using YouTube search to study videos, as well as using ChatGPT to brainstorm and bounce ideas, but not the exact word-for-word script. 9. You will doubt yourself. With certain videos, you'll wonder if you should have even posted it or if you're doing the right thing, but I realize it's all part of the process, and I love the process, even if it confuses me at times. 10. This one seems random, but when I get things done, for example, housework or running errands like grocery shopping, I feel like it makes me put out a better video. Maybe part of it is because I feel more organized and got something done that I needed to, but also, having things like food to nourish me make me think better, and stepping away from creative projects for a while to look at things with fresh eyes. And also just getting things, housework, like getting things more organized around the house, and it just, makes you feel better. 11. Creativity comes from real life. Everyday experiences, thoughts, and feelings make good ideas. I also can get passionate speaking about those things. With all of the artificial intelligence out there, it's very nice to experience real life. In the past couple videos, I've been using AI to brainstorm and bounce ideas back and forth, but for the most part, I go with what resonates with me and sounds right, attempting to ask the right questions and put my own twist on things based on my experiences in life so far. Stories from my life, they feel so real thinking about my memories, and that makes me feel alive. 12. That's my number. I love that number. That special number that always seems to follow me. A constant tinkering with ideas. If I can word something just the right way, maybe it can be understood. I'm still experimenting with this one, but then again, life is full of experimenting. 13. Attempting at times to make my videos shorter, writing out every word for most videos so I can think about exactly what I want to say, so I can provide maximum value for the moment. I read from a phone or paper, so I've got to work on looking at the camera and moving around more maybe, but it's a work in progress. 14. Recording teaches self-awareness. Talking through my thoughts on camera helps me better understand things. For example, quick thoughts that pass by briefly, what happened that day, even deeper thoughts. Having these video memories allows me to remember what happened around that time period much easier. Also, having older videos on other channels makes me realize how different things were back then. And 15. Every video teaches something. That video you put out is not a failure, but a learning opportunity. This is just what I know right now. 50 videos. 50 videos, halfway to 100. Yes, halfway to 100. Cheers. I've learned a lot along the way, and I'm sure some of these lessons will change over time. If you've learned anything from making videos, or just from life in general, feel free to share it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Also, hopefully that's real soon. And yeah, that's the script. Bye for now.